As we're expanding in the UAE, as well as other countries in the Middle East, we're looking for partners to work on test projects with. So we're so excited to have announced a number of months ago our first project in the UAE with the University of Sharjah, led with our friend Dr. Mohamed Al Hemairy, who is the head of the Tech Transfer Office there. The BSV Association has funded a research and development project where we are supporting grad students to do research and publish a research paper about the use of blockchain technology to track academic and professional certifications. So they're doing research on it and developing a proof of concept application to do this on the BSV blockchain and start testing it with the university or other sources. And we are gearing up to hopefully getting that proof of concept complete with the university team for unveiling at the BSV Global Blockchain Convention at the end of May. And working with them is our ally Mohamed Al Hemairy and his team at Matesol. He runs our BSV hub in the Middle East and South Asia, but his team is working with the grad students at the University of Sharjah to both do research into the use of BSV blockchain to support a more honest and efficient tracking of our credentials and academic degrees, and then hopefully having something to show you all at the Global Blockchain Convention in May.
At the beginning, we're trying to make a research study to develop the best framework that can be adopted worldwide, not only in University of Sharjah or in UAE, that can take in consideration different platforms, different frameworks for issuing certificates and also the verification process, which is a bit different from country to country, and also it is very complicated sometimes and time consuming for students, for job seekers, and also for the government to verify their staff and employees when they submit or apply for a job and submit their academic credential and certificates. So we're trying to make this like a universal framework that can be worked for everybody, and it will be open to any institute to join into the network, and then it will grow by time. So it will be like a kind of the reference, authentic reference for anybody who want to verify their academic certificate. The framework then will be implemented and the proof of concept will be developed, and then we'll try to widely test this platform by different countries, different universities, and see how it works. And after that, in the second phase of the project, we'll launch startups to commercialize this project worldwide and try to help thousands and millions of students around the world to verify an academic certification, and also for the employers as well who want to verify their certificates in very fast way and very reliable, trustable, and also very, very low cost. For example, when you have an academic credential, like you graduated from a university and from a certain major, this is not a confidential information. We want everybody in the world to know that you are graduate from XYZ University in this year from this major. And this is what everybody is posting on, for example, a LinkedIn profile or in their social media profiles, and also when they write their biography and also writing their CV. Everybody is announcing this, and also everybody should be proud of their academic credential. The issue is that we don't know if these information are valid or not. There are a lot of fake information and misconduct about the information related to the academic achievement or academic degrees, and a lot of people are making benefits by applying jobs or maybe taking opportunities, and they don't deserve that. So for that purpose, putting all this information in a public but in a reliable and transparent and decentralized environment using the blockchain is what we are looking for to design our project. There were multiple options and different networks that can be used to build our framework on, but particularly for this application and the use case, BSV was a perfect selection for many reasons. One is that the block size on the blockchain is one of the largest blockchain, which will really fit the project scope. We need to put a large data like the transcript, academic credentials, student details, and institution details, and maybe even a module description for each course he has been taking through their academic journey, which requires a larger block size. Also, the network or the transaction network is very fast, and this is one of the features and advantages. And also the cost is non-comparable with any of the existing networks. So all of these reasons together, we selected the BSV network to build our system in the first time. Also, the BSV Association in Switzerland as a non-profit were offering a lot of help, not only to sponsor and funding the project, but also on the technical expertise they are sharing and contacting with our team in the university. So this is very helpful for increasing the awareness and also the larger adoption of a blockchain on the worldwide scale.
The UAE government has issued a directive that they want a significant portion, I believe over 50% of government transactions on a blockchain by the year 2030. Similarly, in Saudi Arabia, they have a Saudi Vision 2030 where to digitally transform the entire kingdom by 2030, diversify economic sectors and reduce reliance on the oil industry. All of those things combine in both the UAE and the rest of the MENA region as a very strong government directive to embrace all kinds of emerging technologies, for which blockchain is the data infrastructure that will underpin not just better financial systems, but AI, IoT device management, robotics, autonomous vehicles, smart cities, smart community technology. All that needs a data structure to power it, as well as the ability to send micropayments to monetize it. The reason it's so hot here in blockchain temperature is government direction. To be honest, it's led to an explosion of startup ventures, blockchain conferences, people moving from around the world. I have lots of my blockchain friends from around the world, including the US, moving here. So it is hotter and moving faster than, for example, my home nation of the United States. It's why I spend a lot of time here, and it's why everyone should come to the BSV Global Blockchain Convention here in Dubai, May 24th through 26th.